organization has always been, I guess, an issue for me. Although I've really always loved it. The Container Store, faucet. I can hear the people who grew up with me laughing. This is what it normally looks like, right? I mean, here's my one attempt at organization. It's labeled so that I know what's inside. It's a start. But I'm doing laundry for 3 girls. Just sorting and folding and putting away in general is a pain in the ass. You know, I tried the whole like folding, like you fold it up real nice and you stack it. After 3 days, it's gonna look like this again. So I've read the Kondo book. Okay, that was kind of a lie. Okay, so maybe I didn't read the book, but I saw the book, and some friends told me about the book, and I kind of got the joy gist and the rolling gist, and that was enough. But I want to take it one step further. Convenience and speed is really the key for me. When I roll everything, no matter how I roll them, you know, and I push them all in there, once you take out some of that tension of holding them tight, they're all falling down, and again, they end up looking like this. So my solution is go ahead and roll it, but this is the cool thing about the rolling is you don't even have to roll it all that great. You don't have to match, they don't have to be the same length or width or whatever. Just roll them up, put one of these rubber bands from Staples, and let's see, like soft, such like the soft ones, you know, they never stay in place. They don't stand up if you roll it. They don't have any integrity at all. But it doesn't matter now. Doesn't matter with the roll and the band. See, look at this roll. It's not fancy, it's not pretty. An arm sticking out, no problem. Rubber band, boom, and X, okay? And if I'm in a hurry and I'm sorting through and I'm throwing them around, it still doesn't matter because they're all gonna stay together in their little place. All right, I'll show you. I'm doing laundry for 3 girls. We don't got time to make these all look pretty. We just want them up and put away. And if they could stay in a nice, neat little place, that's even better. I mean, this started annoying me right away, how they're gonna start falling over. That's when I started getting frustrated and knew I was gonna need one extra step. Stack them all up this way so you can see them all if you want, but once I start picking them out, it really doesn't matter. Look, I can toss them all around. Which one am I looking for? It doesn't matter because no matter how much I toss them around, they're still organized and together. And if I did want to keep stacking them all pretty, it's going to go a lot faster. I am not going to have to keep re-rolling these t-shirts every time I go to grab one.